So Shanti Sweet Stall was placing an order for making cardboard boxes for packing their sweets, and two sizes of boxes were required. The bigger box has dimensions 25 centimeter by 20 by 5, and the smaller one is having these dimensions 15 by 12 by 5. For all the overlaps, 5% of the total surface area is required extra. So these are the dimensions of boxes, but when you find area of the cardboard that is required for making it, then you have to consider this 5% extra for the overlaps as well. So cost is rupees 4 for 1000 centimeter square. You have to find the cost of cardboard required for supplying 250 such boxes. So this is the cost, and this is the number of boxes of each kind that are required. That is, for the bigger box also 250 are required, and for the smaller one also 250 are required. So if you go step by step, you can find for the bigger box first. Bigger box, for one box, what will be the total surface area? 2 into LB plus BH plus LH, where you will substitute the values of length, breadth and height. So for the bigger one, these are the dimensions given: 25, 20 and 5. So after substituting that, you will get 1450 centimeters square. Now this is excluding the overlaps. This is only the area of the box. For overlaps, it is 5% of this. So 1450 into 5 by 100. That is 72.5 centimeters square. So this is the area of one box. This is the extra that is required for overlaps for the bigger box. So if you include both, add both, you will get 1522.5 centimeters square. Now we need for 250. This is for one box. If you need to find for 250 such boxes, you will multiply this number 1522.5 into 250. So this will be the answer that you will be getting. For 250 boxes, including the overlaps, this much area will be required in centimeter square. Same procedure will be done for the smaller box also. First, you can find surface area of one small box. That is, after substituting all the dimensions, you will get it as 630 centimeters square. Then you can find the extra area that is required for the overlaps. That is 5% of this one. 5 by 100 into 630. So that is coming as 31.5 centimeters square. So for one small box, if you include both of these, what will be the area required? So for that, you will be adding both 630 plus 31.5. So this much is required for one small box. For 250 such boxes, 250 into 661.5. So this much. Then totally for the big and small together. So these two numbers that you have obtained here and previously you have obtained over here, this one, these two will be added. So you will get this number, 5,46,000 centimeters square. Now it is given that for 1000 centimeters square, the cost is rupees 4. It's important to note that it's for 1000 centimeters square, rupees 4. So for 546,000 centimeters square, what will be the cost? It will be 546 multiplied by 4 actually, which is 2184. So this will be the total cost. So Parveen wanted to make a temporary shelter for her car by making a box-like structure with tarpaulin that covers all the four sides and the top of the car, with the front face as a flap which can be rolled up. Assuming that the stitching margins are very small and therefore negligible, how much tarpaulin would be required to make the shelter of height 2.5 meter with base dimensions 4 meter into 3 meter? So base dimensions, that is length and breadth, are given to you, 4 meter by 3 meter, and height is 2.5. Now this shelter that is being made for the car, this does not include the base of the car. So area that will be required will be 2 LH plus 2 BH plus only 1 lb because the base is excluded. So you will just substitute these values over here and you can find the area. That is 47 meters square. This much tarpaulin will be required to make this shelter.